Melanoma is a malignant neoplasm of melanocytic origin that represents one of the greatest diagnostic challenges in dermatopathology due to its wide morphological variability and its prognostic impact. It can arise de novo on healthy skin or develop from precursor lesions, such as dysplastic or congenital nevi. Its etiopathogenesis is multifactorial, involving genetic and environmental factors, among which ultraviolet radiation stands out as the main oncogenic agent, responsible for the molecular damage that leads to malignant transformation. From a molecular perspective, melanoma presents specific genetic alterations that allow its classification into subgroups with therapeutic implications. The BRAF V600E mutation is one of the most relevant, as it constitutively activates the MAPK pathway and becomes a target for targeted therapies. Other alterations include mutations in NRAS, CKIT, and in uveal melanomas, GNAQ/GNA11. This molecular heterogeneity correlates with clinical patterns associated with intermittent sun exposure, chronic sun damage, and acral or mucosal location. The histopathological report should include essential prognostic parameters such as tumor thickness or Breslow thickness, Clark level, ulceration, mitotic index, presence of regression, tumor inflammatory infiltrate, vascular or paraneural invasion, microsatellitosis, margin status, and lymph node status. Among these, the Breslow thickness is the main prognostic factor in localized disease. Therefore, the correct integration of this data allows for accurate PTNM staging and individualized therapeutic guidance in the multidisciplinary management of cutaneous melanoma.